Your AI is just a brain. What if you could give it a body, hands to act, eyes to see, and a nervous system that connects it to your entire computer? Today, we're not just prompting an AI, we're giving it a body. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. Generative AI models are brilliant, but they're trapped. They're like a genius mind locked in a silent room, unable to interact with the real world of your computer. This Python script, powered by OS-Copilot, acts as the key, unlocking the door and giving your AI the power to browse, research, and execute tasks directly within your operating system, transforming it from a simple talker into a powerful doer. At the core of our script is Oxygen Monosulfide Copilot, an open-source library that empowers the creation of generalist AI agents. It acts as a bridge, allowing AI models like Gemini to perceive and act within a real computing environment. By giving AI access to web browsers, terminals, and files, OS-Copilot transforms it from a theoretical reasoner into a practical doer, enabling complex, context-aware automated workflows that are grounded in real-time information. We told our AI, build an agent using OS-Copilot. Make it scrape the web for trending news, then use Gemini to generate a summary, a social media post, and hashtags. Want the full prompt to create this yourself? Subscribe, and we'll send it to you. First, we import the necessary OS-Copilot components and define a simplified agent. For this demo, our agent simulates web scraping when it receives a scrape task, returning predefined content based on the topic. Next, we create functions to define the agent's task. One function takes a topic and formats it into a clear instruction for Oxygen Monosulfide Copilot. Another function prompts the user to input the topic they want content for. With our task defined, we execute it. The OS-Copilot agent runs the scraping task, and we capture the raw text it retrieves. A simple processing function then cleans up this text, making it ready for our generative model. Now, we initialize our generative AI. We import the Google Generative AI library and configure it with an API key. For security, it's best to load this from an environment variable, but we've included a placeholder for this demo. Here's the magic. We create a structured prompt that tells Gemini exactly what to do. Summarize the article, create a social media post with emojis, and suggest hashtags. We then pass this prompt along with the scraped content to the model. Finally, the main function ties everything together. It initializes the agent, gets the user's topic, runs the Oxygen Monosulfide Copilot task, processes the result, generates the content with Gemini, and prints the final, polished output to the content. And there you have it. We transformed a disconnected AI into an autonomous agent that interacts with its environment to create relevant, high-quality content. By giving our AI hands and eyes with OS-Copilot, we didn't just get a better answer, we automated the entire research and creation workflow. This is the future of AI application development. Did you vibe code smarter today?